This is my Emi Mec E Sprint. I actually own 3 of these machines. They date from around about 1975. They're numerically controlled. They came out before CNC lathes, so they're called peg boards. You put the pegs in to program it, and it's some people say it's just a primitive CNC. Well, you know, it is, but it does the job, and it's lasted since 1975. At the moment I'm doing M10 dome nuts on this machine. It makes the blanks ready to put the dome on, which will be second operations, not on this machine, on another machine, but this will do make the blank, put the thread in, put the countersinks in, chamfers, ready to dome. So I'm going to switch the machine on and put it into action, show you how it goes, and then I'll give you a close-up of it running through its various stations. So right, when you load the bar in, you put the bar in first of all, put the bar in, set the top slides and put the bar up to it, and then close the collet. When you do these dome nuts, you have to put a chamfer on the first nut to start it off, otherwise you'll end up with the first nut and have no chamfer on the edge. So put the bar up to the back of the parting off tool, and then bring the front slide in, and that will put the chamfer on the edge. You only have to do that for the first one, and then it will run the whole bar off and do it automatically. So once that's in, we switch the coolant on, set it into motion. First shot, that comes forward, sets it to its correct thickness, feeds it in. This station is for putting a pilot drill hole in, ready for the 8.75 drill bit, which will be the next station. So pilot hole first, next station is the drill bit, 8.75. That's obviously set at the right stop so it puts the right depth of hole in there. The next station is countersink the hole. That puts this right edge on it so that you can drill it, tap it. Now the tap's going in. M10 fine pitch, 1.25 pitch, goes in, stops. Reverse. The turret is in line with the threading so that it's programmed to come out at the same speed. Motor stops and then starts forward again. Front slide in. This now is putting a chamfer on the edge for the next nut, and that gives a good takes the hex off for the parting off slide so that it doesn't chatter. Parts catchers come in, that will part off into the parts catcher, and then when it goes on to the next station it will drop it into the pot behind. Now I'll bring it up close and show you a close-up of it working. Pilot first, now the 8.75 drill bit. countersink now. Put a countersink on the edge of that so the tap can go in nicely. Speed slows down, ready for the taps going in. Turret comes forward at the correct programmed speed. Switches off, reverses, and the tap reverses back out. Switches off, forward speed, front slide in, and that then puts a chamfer, which gives you a chamfer for the next nut and also gives you a good surface for parting off. It takes the hex off for parting off. Parts counter comes forward, opens and drops the part into a bin behind, and then it goes on to its next cycle. Now the pegboard part, the programming, this is the programming part. You can see this light here is a station. When it hops to the next operation, it will hop all the way along. It's moved to the next station, turrets come forward to do the next job, and so on until it gets to junction to line 19, which is this one here. Once it gets to line 19, it's reached the end of its cycle, and then it goes back and starts all over again with cycle 1 right the way across, and you put these pegs in to the various operations that you want it to do, and that's programmed in to do whatever you want it to do. And there you go, that's it. That's my E Sprint 1975, old school, nothing like a CNC, but nothing like the price of one either. Thanks for watching.